Rosetta. I took her advice and I actually met the community of traders, or this guy that was leading this trading group out in College Park at I don't know, could have been a Marriott. And we sat in this conference room, and I think I was the youngest guy there. I'm not gonna deny. I saw a lot of people with canes just walking in. The cool part is they wanted to learn how to trade. They were so intrigued with the fact that you can make money so fast. It happened, but watch how I traded and how I lost money so fast. All right, M2K, come on, just keep striking up. Caught an entry before the market opened. We got about 3 more minutes before the market's open, but let's see if at least the New York Stock Exchange. Let's see if this is gonna pop up or not. But we're in a trade, $30 loss, just in case it does come back down to this area. But let's see if we can get some movement in this space here or not, and we'll just watch this show. It's Fair by Trade, guys. Welcome, and we're gonna see what the market has to offer today. All right, got about a minute left before the market opens. So let's see if the Russell is going to do what it usually does, which is kind of jump up in one direction. Right now, we're looking at a long. So let's see if that's the movement right now. All right, we're going to be patient and let's trade what we see. Got the other markets doing what they do. Let's see. Of course, the MNQ is a little faster, a little more edgy, but we'll see. But we don't know, right? Especially right now, we got a big resistance up here, but right now the price is long. So if anything, I'm thinking long in the Nasdaq. So let's just watch it and see which way they both want to go. We got about 20 seconds. Let's jump up. That'd be beautiful. But we gotta be in the chart that matters most, which is the M2K. Let's see what it wants to do. Market is officially open. Let's see if we can get a good jump on it, or if it wants to come crashing down. Let's see. What you got, NASDAQ? Got a pretty tight stop on it though, guys, so you never know where it's gonna go, especially at the open, but we already in the chart, we already in. So let's see if we can catch a jump up, which is what we're looking for here. I'm usually down on my first couple trades anyway, before I even get this video going. So that's always a thing. I could be down, let's see. I don't know, $60 right now. So let's see if we can catch this jump up here. Kind of make that money back. Let's see. Let's see. It's definitely the patient game. So he's pulling back. I don't want to get wiped out, but I'm still trusting the process on the long, right? So I got my stop. Let's see if it's just trying to get some people out down here, or if we really want to come down and go in and hit the pits. So let's see. I have a lot of space to move up and kind of grab all of this up here, but I don't know. Let's see. I like the tail if it can hang in there. Let's see. All right, pushing. So hard to tell which direction really wants to go. We know the direction, but we just want to see if it wants to. I wanted to jump up. right? I'm sure everybody else watching this would like it to jump up too, unless you're a hater, but I want this to go up, right? And take out a winner versus being a loser. But we got about a minute on this candle. So we're just gonna watch a show and see what happens. Just gonna watch a show, guys. It's not a super strong close over 61, but it closed. So hopefully that's another propeller that can jump it up. But we'll see. Or if it's going to create some type of resistance here. But we're still in it to win it. Let's see what we got going on. I still like the green candles. So let's just hopefully just pushes up. Keep going in the up direction. I will take the fibs off. Alright, so we got a little red candle here. Maybe a good place to add, but I'll wait for this whole TP to get swallowed up. And then we'll see if we want to add somewhere else. But right now, let's see if we can grab some of this, which what I'm thinking is probably adjust my stop. I'm gonna take TP, put it right here, the first one. But let's see where this is going. And I don't want it to come back down here for sure, or create another low. I'd love for it to stay up here, but let's see. See this candlestick pushing its way down, but let's see. I hope it's just doing a balancing act, right? Like it's at the Olympics. Come on, man. All right, go down, go up, hit some flips. Let's just move forward and let's continue on a journey. Because we don't want to run all day, right? We want to get in, get out. And that's the goal. Get in, get out, be done for the day. Well, got about 13 seconds after this candle. Let's see if Mr. Russell Jr. can just keep going. If I'm not screaming, I'm not. I got a little baby in my hand, so no screaming right now until she is fully asleep, and she's not that yet. So let's go. And as you're looking at this, right, what do you guys see? I mean, where would have been a good entry point for you? Look at this 830 move here. This was crazy. I don't think I would have caught that unless I'm buying off of this here, which is the current, the previous high of yesterday. Well, look at this. What a shot. What a shot. Maybe if you got in anywhere in here. I don't know how it was bouncing or jumping, but look at this. Boom. Pay me right now. Or shoot me right now. You know why? Because if you were in this trade and you thought it was going to come back down, if you didn't take profits and you thought it was going to fall all the way through, because that's what we had, right? Fall through under the 20. You're just like, all right, cool, it's going to drop. Look what it did. Came all the way back. So it took all of these players out there, stops, everything. So if you don't protect yourself, man, it's very hard to stay in the game, right? I've been through it. All right, so you got to protect yourself. Like I'm protected right now. So let's see if this bad boy wants to continue up. It's a lot of hesitation in this area, but we got a lot of legs. It's about time for myself in profit, bare minimum at least. All right, let's see. Boy, patience is patience. Man, but you gotta wait, right? You gotta be bored for a little bit. I'm over here, not dozing, but I got up pretty early, hit the gym. Now my eyes are just glued on these charts, so hopefully the burn ends pretty quickly, and we can find something else to do. Let's see what this candlestick wants to do here. We got a minute left. It'd be great if we could just jump up over these and clear this information right here. And that'll be amazing. Let's see. Let's see what this candlestick is trying to do. I'm not a huge fan of it closing down here. But let's see. Ooh, I don't know if I like that. Didn't like that too much, but let's see. It's kind of near the 20 now, so let's see what it wants to do. If it wants to bounce back up. Let's see. Technically, I did learn from my mistakes. I let this happen the other day. Came all the way up, didn't take profits. I'm not doing that this time, so I want to see where we're starting to land, what we're starting to look like, what we're formulating. Is it going to be a little cliff down and we're shooting downward, or we're bouncing back up? So may have a little bounce off to 20. Yeah, I don't want to come back down and kill me. I'm waiting for another setup. As you can see, I only took a few dollars off the table on this one, right? So I'm just down 60. So not crazy, but could have been up way more if I would have taken some of this. But you live or you die. All right, so we caught a short here on the M2K. Right up here, I'm in profit 1. Added another one here. So let's see if we can take out this little area. Just put myself on break even. Let's see. Wants to come down and take this next target out. About 15 seconds left. Nope. Okay. All right, so we can't take that one out, but we had a nice little drop down. All right, so let's see. We caught another entry here long, up to 200. I'm super late on my entry, but I'm in there. So let's see if we can hit our first TP. You got to stop at $15. First target about 46 or so. So a little over a 1-to-1. I mean, a little over 2-to-1. But let's see. I don't know. Let's see. I got kind of caught in this wave here. So let's see if this can jump up. For my first target, a little bit more conservative on the profit, and then hopefully runs up here or here. Well, right now we just don't know. So let's see what we have now. I done made about 6 trades, too many. So not too pleased with trading today, especially with that many trades. So not pleased. Obviously a little over trading isn't involved in it today. I'm not afraid to admit it either. A little bit over trading. So let's see if I got the direction right on this one. Sometimes it could just run for the rest of the day. So hopefully the Russell has that momentum again, like it was over here, and can just keep climbing a couple of green bars. That'll be good. Right now we're still bullish. So let's go for it. About 14 seconds left in this candle. I'll put myself in profit as soon as this closes, so I don't want it to come back on me. So let's go ahead and at least collect a few dollars, and let's just watch this hopefully grow. All right, so we hit that first target. So we'll just trail that candlestick right there, and if it comes back, cool. If it doesn't, cool. All right, so yeah, we're at mid. Today was a pretty sucky day. Ended up being down 147. All right, yeah, look at this choppy stuff that I was caught in. But I think I kind of figured out where my issue was today. Obviously, over trading was a thing, but also not placing those trades accurately. So yeah, we'll end it here. Quite a long video, and yeah, fair buy trade. All right, here's what I learned, and also some advice from your personal trader. Man, placing the trade isn't the hardest thing to do. It's not click of a button, whatever you do to actually put yourself in a trade. What's the hardest part is not trading or stop trading. Which obviously I didn't listen to that rule, because guess what? I kept trading and I kept losing. I over traded, and as you can see from the video, I mean, I'm down 147 for the day, which sucks. But this community, Fair Buy Trade, we keep coming back and come back better and better. All right, Fair Buy Trade, guys.